Asset plant machinery. Today we're looking at the Steelmaster H-400HA NC automatic bandsaw. Now this bandsaw is predominantly used in the European market. It's a heavy duty model. As you can see, it's working its way through some material now. It comes with the chip conveyor, as you can see down there. Ideal for bundle cutting, this particular machine. Cut on excellent tolerances. Just wait for that to reload. And away it goes. Controller has a capacity of 400 by 400, as I said, ideal for bundle cutting. Roller feed. So, if you have any other questions on this particular machine or any others that we have, just give us a call at Asset Plant Machinery or www.assetplant.com.